Actually, if you look at the last few years, insurance has become a very important asset class for people who are putting their savings. I don't know whether the tax impact they get out of that. I think the quantum of that is extremely small anyway that was provided. So we don't see any impact happening out of the regime changing from the old regime to the new regime, because no longer is the question of just tax. I think the need for protection that you need to buy, I think is pertinent for everybody, whether you get tax benefit on it or not. And if you look at increasingly all these savings products that life insurance companies do, you'd be surprised that even the mass affluent and the HNIs now think it's an important part of their asset allocation. I think from that perspective, insurance products will remain to be a asset class for different sets of customers. I think it's important for young generation, to start what is required for them to do a little earlier. All of us when we were younger, always bought insurance as a tax saving tool, and maybe wouldn't have got ourselves adequately covered for what is the requirement. And therefore, in today's sense, for the products that are available, I think starting younger is only going to make the insurance product significantly cheaper, because you buy that for the long period of time. And my advice to younger people would be to make sure that when you're looking at your money, allocating your money that you want to save, whether it's your home loan that you take, I think it's important that that liability you cover with insurance. You start earlier for protection, the time that you start a family, when the kid gets born. I think those are important milestones at which getting the right amount of cover and not just buying an insurance cover for the heck of it is important. So look at what your requirement is, look at your goal planning, and I think insurance can play an important role in that asset allocation.